So let us consider these examples. You are asked to rotate the following curves through 90 degrees in the counterclockwise direction. So what should you do to do this transformation? You need to replace x with y and y with minus x. So the transformed equation is minus x is equal to mod y. Minus x, y is replaced by minus x is replaced by y. Minus x is equal to y. X is replaced by y is replaced by minus x is equal to 1. Minus x is equal to 2y plus 3. So these are the rotated curves. So let us try to draw the graphs of these two and see whether the curves have actually rotated or not. Y is equal to mod x is a very straightforward equation, right? So this is the curve. What is mod y is equal to minus x? Mod y is equal to minus x. So mod y is equal to minus x. So how do we plot this? Let us draw a table and see what is happening. X and y. So mod y is always positive. So x has to be negative, right? X has to be negative. So let us say x is 0, x is minus 1, x is minus 2. So if x is 0, minus x is also 0, mod y is 0, so y is 0. X is minus 1, so minus x is plus 1. So mod y is equal to 1, so y is equal to plus or minus 1. Correspond to x is equal to minus 2, minus x is equal to 2. So mod y is equal to 2 implies y is equal to plus minus 2. Now let us plot the sample points and see how the curve is turning out. So if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So you have this point. When x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to either plus 1 or minus 1. When x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to plus 2 or minus 2. When x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to plus 3 or minus 3, so on. So if you join them, you get a straight line here and a straight line here. So do you see that this curve has rotated through 90 degrees in the clockwise direction? This arm has gone here, this arm has gone here. So y is equal to mod x and minus x is equal to mod y are rotated curves. Next, y is equal to x and minus x is equal to y. Y is equal to x is a very straightforward straight line which looks like this, and y is equal to minus x is this straight line. So can you see that the rotation has occurred? The line has been rotated through 90 degrees. Now x plus y is equal to 1. So how does x plus y is equal to 1 look like? The intercepts are 1 and 1. Now what is y minus x is equal to 1? So the x-intercept, if you put y is equal to 0, the x-intercept is minus 1. If you put x is equal to 0, the y-intercept is 1. The line has become like this. So do you see that the rotation has happened? You need to understand that the rotation happens about origin, is about this point. So take an axle like this and you can see that the axle has been rotated through 90 degrees. The curve has rotated about origin through 90 degrees. Similarly, y is equal to 2x plus 3. The slope is 2 and the y-intercept is 3. So you have a line like this. Now the next line is y is equal to minus x minus 3 by 2. It is minus x by 2 minus 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2. So this time y-intercept is minus 3 by 2. Y-intercept is minus 3 by 2 and the slope is minus half. The line is like this. So you can see that the axle has been rotated through 90 degrees. This x-intercept, this y-intercept has gone here. This intercept has gone here. So I hope you understand this transformation. So x has to be replaced with y has to be replaced with minus x to obtain 90 degrees rotation counterclockwise. So remember this, if you want a clockwise rotation, just this minus comes here. If you want a clockwise rotation, x becomes minus y and y becomes x. So you remember this perfectly and others can be obtained. Next, even if you consider y square is equal to 4x, know that this is a horizontal parabola. Now let us rotate it through 90 degrees. So y becomes minus x and x becomes y. It is x square is equal to 4ay. So the curve has rotated through 90 degrees. Now let us turn this curve again through 90 degrees. So x becomes y and y becomes minus x. So you have y square is equal to minus 4x. So 90 degrees again. Yes, you got the right answer. This is y square is equal to minus 4x. Next, rotate it further by 90 degrees. So y becomes minus x and x becomes y. That is x square is equal to minus 4ay. X square is equal to minus 4ay. Again 90 degrees. This curve corresponds to x square is equal to minus 4ay, right? Next, turn it again by 90 degrees. So x is replaced by y is replaced by minus x. So minus and minus gets cancelled. So y square is equal to 4ax. You got the original curve. So after 4 rotations of 90 degrees, you will always get the original curve, right? So I hope you have understood this transformation very well. So even if you don't understand the derivation, just remember the transformation which you need to do. X replaced by y replaced by minus x. Thank you.